5 common hair mistakes and how to fix them. Hey beauties! In today's quick video, I'm going to share 5 common hair mistakes you might be making and how to fix them in seconds. Let's dive in. 1. Washing your hair too often. Shampooing every day strips your hair of natural oils, making it dry and brittle. Try washing 2 to 3 times a week instead. 2. Not using heat protectant. Heat styling without protection can cause split ends and damage. Always spritz a heat protectant before blow-drying or straightening. 3. Brushing wet hair. Hair is more fragile when wet, and brushing it can cause breakage. Use a wide-tooth comb or finger comb instead. 4. Skipping regular trims. Trims are essential for healthy hair. Even if you're growing it out, cutting the ends every 6 to 8 weeks will prevent split ends and keep your hair looking fresh. 5. Overloading on hair products. Less is more. So, too much product can weigh hair down or make it greasy. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your hair will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Pure Beauty for more content like this. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.